One of the challenges our customers face is how to identify if a pole is damaged and needs to be replaced. There are several signs to look for to determine if a pole is at risk of failure. Pole moving in the wind, broken bolts, rust on the pole base, rusted base covers, rust holes. These are the main indicators of a damaged pole. Less obvious indicators include peeling paint, cracks in the pole base, missing nuts or washers, dents, cracks in the weld or pole shaft. These are all signs that a pole is damaged or failing. Pole damage can be prevented by looking for potential issues such as missing dry pack drainage under the base plate, missing handhole cover, missing pole caps, use of reclaimed water, poles in low areas of uneven properties, banners on poles, poles near the path of delivery or garbage trucks, poles on short footings that can be hit by cars, poles exposed to animal urine. The integrity of a pole can be tested easily with a hammer and punch. Simply place a punch against the hole, 1 inch above the base plate, and hit the punch with a hammer. If you hear a thud sound, this indicates a weak pole. If you hear a ringing sound, like a bell, this indicates a strong pole. If the pole is severely rusted, the punch will penetrate the pole. Light poles should be inspected frequently to make sure they are in good condition and are not at risk of falling or failing. Light Pole Systems, specializing in light pole solutions.